Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine 3 sheets of data into one sheet. So my first sheet, to make it easy, I have first Excel sheet. I have a count of 1 to 20 on sheet 1. If you go to sheet 2, I went to 40. Sheet 3, I went to 60. So if I combine these sheets, I should end up with one sheet with a count of 1 to 60. I'm just doing this for simplicity to show you how you can combine any data you want. So just to get, you're gonna use Microsoft Visual Basic applications. So you do Alt F11 to bring it up. Let me clear out that old code. I have the code in here. Make it bigger for you. This is the code that you're gonna use to combine the sheets, and it'll call it the sheet a combined sheet. So let me just copy this. Go back into Excel. We'll paste it in here. To run it, you just press the play button or F5. So we'll hit the play button today. We go into our workbook. There's the combined sheet that came up. We started at 1 and went all the way to 60. Do that again so you can see it. 1. So I hope this helps. I'll put the code in the bottom of the screen, and give me a thumbs up, and thank you for subscribing to my channel.